How to change your TikTok username. Here's the easiest way to do it. First, open the TikTok app and tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Edit Profile. From here, select Username. Now enter the new username you want to use. As you type, TikTok will automatically check whether the username is available. If you see a green check mark, that means the username is available and you can use it. If not, try a different username until you find one that's available. Once you've chosen your new username, tap Save in the top right corner. Keep in mind that TikTok only allows you to change your username once within a certain period, so make sure you're happy with your choice before saving it. Also, your username is part of your TikTok profile link. If you've shared your old profile link on social media, websites, or elsewhere, you may need to update those links after changing your username. That's it. Your TikTok username has now been updated. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.